Hello and welcome to Motors for the Masses in what is a product review, but not just any product review. It's a product that we've actually developed and brought out ourselves. Lightning Storm Motorcycles and Motors for the Masses are together in this because it's all me. Anyway, it's a motorcycle hardwired camera system, front and rear camera hardwired to your bike. Now there are two versions of this camera. This version and one that is currently in further development to be brought out in a few months' time, possibly even sooner than that. So without any further ado, let's roll the intro and get cracking and bring you that product. So here it is, the so named Lightning Storm XT22. Had to have 22 in it somewhere, didn't it? Yes, this is a motorcycle camera system. Front and rear cameras, screen, GPS, holder and button. So let's unbox it and see what you get. Apart from this sleeve, which I designed myself. And yes, that is me on the bike. Not that I'm vain in any way, honestly. Inside this box, you get that at the top. Now this in here is the wiring system, a waterproof screen, and two 1920 by 1080 30 FPS HD cameras, one for the front and one for the rear, or vice versa, doesn't really matter because they're both the same. Underneath this plastic cover is another white case, and in here you get all the wiring. Now we've got the control module, or the bit that goes to the battery. We've got the cables that match up with the cameras and the power unit, and the GPS, which can be turned off for those of you that are concerned about your speed showing. And you get an aluminium case to mount the bracket to the bike, like so. Now I will cut to a little bit here and show you where I've mounted them on my Triumph Explorer. And they were mounted using these brackets here, like so, with some 3M sticky stuff, or you could drill it, depending where you want to put it and what bike you want to put it on, and screw it on as well. Or you've got good old cable ties and the instruction manual, and that is all you get in the box. So this is a camera system, as I say, that has two 1920 by 1080 30 FPS cameras. Now there's a lot of them out there that have a 1080 front and a 720 rear, and I did not want that. I specifically wanted proper 1080 front and rear. on here. The memory card doesn't come with this pack, and when I tell you the price, you'll realise why. But it does go in there like so. I would recommend something like a 128 megabyte or a 64 megabyte card. There we go. That goes in there like so. It records in TS format, and the reason why they do that rather than movie file is because it's a lot easier and a lot more stable to save the video file onto the memory card in TS format. That is why. So yes, that's what you get in the pack. Now this is going to be retailed at just $124.99. Exactly, not a lot of money for what you get. Obviously depending who fits it, and we recommend that someone fits it, it's about an hour to fit the system and put the wires neatly where you want them to be. Again, depends on the bike, depends on where you find the switch live on your bike, because you obviously want the cameras turning on when you switch the ignition on and then turning off when you switch the ignition off. You don't want to put it to a permanent live because that could drain your battery. So it has to go to a switch live. But as I say, you can have it fitted here, and we would charge just the labour charge to fit that. Now, you want this system, it's available now. And I was talking, as I say, about a different system that we are currently in development, and that is going to have a better quality camera, front and rear, with a higher bit rate. Now with that technology comes more expense, so that is going to be around about or just under £200 for that system. But it's the same system, just with a much higher quality camera. So I've gone for two systems here. This one, which is manageable, and let's be honest, a lot of people have these because insurance these days, they do like proof, and this is proof that you've had an accident and whose fault it was. It's always good to have these on now. You see dash cams in cars all the time, dash cams or those action cams on bikes all the time, but this is a hardwired system that can stay on your bike, record front and rear in case you're rear-ended by someone and they try and blame you or say that something else happened. You've got good proof on these cameras. So there we go. It's not going to be a long video. I just wanted to show you this product review because it's a product that I wanted to bring out. Now there are more products in development. We are looking at several other things as well, but I'm happy to bring this, our first actual own product ourselves. Lightning Storm and Motors for the Masses, part of obviously my production company, Stormy 22 Productions. So there you go. You want one of these? Let us know in the comment section below, or contact us on our email at contact@motorsforthemasses.co.uk, or you can send me a message through our Facebook page, or you can email us, as I say, on the email address, or you can email me on the Lightning Storm one as well, info@lsmoto.co.uk. So thank you very much for watching. If you would like one, please let us know. Ride safe. Oh, I should end properly, shouldn't I? So until next time, please ride and drive carefully, but have fun. Bye-bye.